Welcome to Dimatra, a proudly world-class Mexican company and a visionary and passionate team that provides the best solution in conversion machinery. We design and manufacture solutions in converting machinery for plastic film, paper and nonwoven, offering a complete line of slitter rewinding machines, shrinking sleeve machines, and inspection machines, as well as paper machines and nonwoven machines. We are located in the Bajío region, which has one of the most important logistic hubs in the country. This area is well known for its important industrial, economic, and touristic growth. At the center of the Diamond of Mexico, this area has access to international airports, the largest and most outstanding industrial corridor in our country with connection to the borders and seaports, development of specialized suppliers in the packaging industry and its processes, high investment in the automotive industry, medical equipment, footwear, leather, textile, fashion, clothing, agro industry, and pharmaceutical. Because of our strategic location and connectivity, we export to North America, Central and South America, the Caribbean, and Europe. We guarantee the quality of our equipment and ensure its continuous operation. Our best presentation are the results. Because we focus on doing things well and with exceptional quality, we have an enthusiastic and qualified team with leadership vision. We seek excellence and we offer integral solutions, research and development, design, control, manufacturing, installation, technical support, spare parts, and after-sales service. We use the most advanced technology to manufacture our machines, both in our industrial plant for the manufacturing process, as in our industrial plant for the assembly of the machines. We are versatile. We become a unified and fundamental part of your work team, and we respond to your trust with professional results and punctual delivery. We minimize risks and guarantee the investment of our clients through important actions, spare parts sales, installation and startup of our machines, staff training, on-site customer service that may include preventative maintenance, premium technical support policies, and remote assistance worldwide. Large international companies have proven the reliability of our equipment. We have the support of associations and certifications which guarantee international quality of our machinery. Through the integration of solutions, strategic location, a wide range of machines and services, at Dimatra, we keep our promise on every machine we install. Dimatra. Complex made simple.